Hello, what's up YouTube? I know it has been a long time, but in this behind the scenes, I'll be demonstrating for you how you can use two lights for your studio images. And what you have to understand is you're going to be using two lights and two soft boxes and one reflector. So one light is going to be feathered right here in front of the model. Then you also have this reflector on this stand. And for the background, since we want pure white, you're going to be using that very big kind of umbrella that is going to create a rim light on the subject's body, and it's going to be creating some separation from the white backdrop. So I'll demonstrate for you how this is going to be coming into place. So for my camera settings, I'll be shooting at ISO 100, shutter speed 1/200th of a second. And since I want every detail in the model's face to be in focus, I'll be shooting at an aperture of f7.1 and a white balance of 6000 kelvins. And for the camera, Canon 6D, and the lens is the Tamron 70-200mm f2.8, but we are not going to be shooting at 2.8. We shall be shooting at f7.1. Remember, the reason is we want everything to be in focus. So let's start shooting. So this is going to be more of the main light, and this one is going to be for the backlight, the one in that umbrella. So what I will do, I first of all turn this off and I show you the effect. So I'll just come and I turn this off briefly. So let me come and I take the first photo. So, okay, look this side now. I'll be extend this side. So I've taken the first test photo, and as you can see on the screen, it is producing that kind of edge light or rim light. Then I'll introduce in this light, and what you have to understand, it is just slightly feathered from the model. So I'll just come and turn this back on, and I show you how both lights are going to be coming into play. So the first shot was basically for the backlight or the rim light, and this is going to be with the main light. So let me take this. Let me push this side. No, that's too much. Just cover the middle of the softbox behind you. Yes, this is perfect. So the purpose of the reflector is to bounce off some of the light from this other softbox. So it is just placed right here to bounce off some of the spill light from the softbox. So let's continue pausing. Let me just have you turn and face the light. Then turn your head. Yeah. Can you have both hands on your... No? Just place them here like this. Slightly lower your chin. Okay, eyes here. Okay. I just need... Yeah, just hold like that. Okay, perfect. Can you hold on the hip? Okay. Just, yeah. Just push this side slightly. Okay. Like that. Perfect. Okay. Put one hand on the hip, then one on the neck. Yeah, I like that. Can you slightly look towards the light? Yeah. Okay, same pose. Just get it as a closer one. Eyes here now. I need a smile. Okay, this is beautiful. Just put both hands behind your neck. Yeah, like that. Push behind a little. Okay, perfect. Nice. Relax the hands. Don't overstretch them to the side. Yeah, relax them down. Yeah, like that. Yeah, relax the elbows. Okay, don't. Okay, okay. Down. Turn this side. I need a little bit of a smile. Okay, yeah, that's beautiful. So this is how you can use true lights for your studio images, and I hope you have learned a thing or two from this very video. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in yet more videos on this channel. Don't forget to keep practicing and as well keep creating.